Hi everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Jace. Today we're going to talk about Ren. Had a few requests over the past few days for Ren, so we're making a video on Ren. If you want to have your coin covered in the next video upcoming, just leave me a comment below, and the coin that we get the most requests of, that's what we'll be doing. If you guys like what you see, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon if you want to learn a little bit more. All links are in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. Ren on the weekly. Currently $1.29, just under $1.30. So on the weekly chart, you can see our formation. This is a bullish formation. What we would want to look for in the coming days and weeks. Now each candle is a week, so this isn't going to be the next 5 minutes. But for Ren, this is a good formation so far. Nothing, no cause for concern, no cause for excitement yet. What we would want to look for is a close, a weekly close above $1.40. You can see this level here on the right here. 140 is what you want to look for a weekly close. So far on this week's candle, we've wicked right up to it. So far, we've gotten rejected. Now let's look at the other side, because as a professional trader, you want to look at the ups and the downs, not just focus on one or the other. You want to be prepared for both ways. So on the downside, if we break this line, that would be not a good sign. So this week, we're at $1.10. Next week, this is moving up. $1.20 for next week would be your low to watch out for. And we're going to zoom in and zoom out. I'm going to show you on the monthly and the daily and show you some different levels to watch and what to look for as far as that goes. So as you can see right now, $1.40 that's what we're looking for, macro term. So let's remove this. Let's go just take a peek at the monthly, and just so you can see what Ren has done just in this quarter, right? Since January. Let's see what it's gone up since January 1st. So from the peak, I mean, it's over 500%, but currently we're still over 300% up since January. So if you got in anywhere back in here, even if you bought this top and it came back all the way back down, you're still you're well in profit. So patience is key in crypto. Now, being this extended, yes, you're probably due for a pullback at some point. Nothing that goes straight up like this can just continue to rocket fuel for weeks and months on end. But so far, no warning signs yet. Now let's go zoom in at the daily and see what else we can see. So Ren on the daily chart, if we zoom in here, now our line to watch is $1.15 again for today. This will change over time. If we start moving back up again, this curves up with it. This is just the moving averages of the previous 21 candles put together. It's an average of your previous 21 days. That's all. So right now, if we drop today, 115. Tomorrow, who knows? I would expect this to slowly be moving up. So as we get to it, this is the level to watch. You can see we've gotten some wicks down here, even some daily candles. So we're still kind of hesitant, especially with Bitcoin the way it is. It's a little bit too bullish right now for altcoins to run. So for Ren to run, we would want to have Bitcoin cool off. We want to hold the 21-day, obviously, and then hopefully start moving back up. And then once we can clear on a daily, first, remember the 140 level right here. If we get back, break through the 140, you see Ren 141 or higher, then this will be our next level to watch. This is their all-time high daily close, 175. So between 175 and 185, if you see it breaking 185, we're back in price discovery mode, and nobody knows where that's going to be. You cannot predict where coins are going in price discovery. That's why it's called that. It's never been done before. It's in the exploratory final frontier. Zooming into the 4-hour on Ren, this is about as low a time frame as I'll ever really go. And I don't even like really doing this, but I feel like we're kind of sorting out here. If you see these moving averages, when you get them sorted out from least to greatest, which is your 21, your 50, 100, and 200, as you can see, we've been tangled up for a few weeks now, going back to February 25th, we haven't really been sorted out like this since right back in here. See when these got tangled up last time and now they're sorting out? That was January, February when this was happening. So this has been about 6 weeks since we've seen anything like this. So keep that in the back of your head. Things, look what can happen if these continue to be sorted out. What you'd want to find this on is the daily. See how much separation you have in all of these moving averages? You want them to continue to separate. You do not want to see these start joining together again. It's certainly on a daily chart. So your first warning sign that you can look at is your 4 hour. So watch for this. If this continues to curve up, great sign for REN. Remember, recapping, $1.40 is your first level to watch for REN. On the downside, it was $1.15 for today, maybe $1.10 for the whole week. Next week, it should move up about 10 cents for your low for 120. So keep that in the back of your mind. If we fall through moving averages on the daily, your next line of support is your next moving average. That's why we broke this and we still held the 50-day. So watch this on REN. That's what I have for you for REN today. If you have any questions about that or anything I said, leave me a comment below. I'm happy to answer. I try to read through all my comments. I appreciate all of you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the car of the day. Car of the day is a 2020 Corvette C8. It's the new one. So I've seen a couple of these on the road. Have you guys seen any yet in person? They're pretty striking in person. They look a lot. They're starting to really approach like Italian exotic Ferrari-esque looks. One of my neighbors has one. Gave me a ride. Looks just like this. He has the black wheels and everything. So we've been in a ride together. It's even better on the inside. I think it competes with $250,000 supercars. Easy. I've been in some Ferraris. This looks even better than some Ferraris inside. I'm telling you. Great car Corvette's doing. So our quote of the day. And thank you guys so much. Remember, like, subscribe, follow us Twitter, Telegram, Patreon if you want to take a deeper dive into the charts, get a little bit more attention, a little more personable. We have 12 people now in Patreon, so if you want to be part of that, join us on there. I appreciate it. Love to have you. Love to teach you more. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.